Today's Bible lesson, students will learn about Mary and how she anointed Jesus and how she worshiped him, and the book of John, chapter 12, verses 1 through 8. Please review prior lessons and also review memory scripture. Today in writing, students will do a dictation exercise. So I will read the sentence that they will have to write. Today it will be an interjection and a direct quotation. So please make sure that you listen carefully so that you know how to properly write it. So it says, we shall soon see about that, thought the old queen. Again, we shall soon see about that, thought the old queen. So all students have to do is write the dictation. So after students complete their dictation exercise, on the paperwork I do have for them to practice identifying adverbs, but today I would like them to write 5 sentences. I would like 3 of them to have an interjection in them and 2 of them to be direct quotation sentences. So they do not have to do anything with adverbs. They have to do 5 sentences, 3 have to have an interjection, and 2 of them have to be a direct quotation. Today's reading pages are pages 87 to 90. In math, we are on lesson 133. Students can actually open their workbook pages and go to lesson worksheet 133. This will be right after their multiplication page. So we'll have 6 boxes, and they'll have numbers, and then there'll be some letters, and then it will say like 2 groups of. So once they get there, I will explain the lesson. So today's lesson is dividing a set of objects into equal groups. And so I'll do examples for 6 and 8, and then you could do examples with the students for 10, 15, 12, and 20. They may know this right off the top, but if not, then I'll explain how it goes. So I have a set of objects, and I want to make sure that when I divide it between me and someone, that I divide it equally. Remember, equal means that we all have the same amount. And so if someone has more or someone has less, that is not equally dividing it. So if I have 6, and so we're going to say that we have 6 crackers. And when it says 2 groups, that's telling you that's 2 people, because we each will have a group of a certain amount. And so if I have 6 and it's me and my friend, and I want to split our 6 crackers evenly between me and my friend, what I would do is I could take 1 cracker at a time. I could take a cracker, then my friend could take a cracker, and we could keep doing that until we run out, and then we see how much we have. Or if we know the number 6, if we know that the number 6 is divided in half, we know that it is the number 3. So the answer would be 2 groups of 3 2 groups of 3 makes 6. So I have 3, my friend has 3, that's a total of 6. So now it's not just me and my friend anymore, but we've added another friend. So now it's 3 groups. So we're each going to divide the crackers between us 3. So that means we could take 1 at a time, or we could just figure out ways to split it evenly. If we tried to do 3 and 3, we're going to run out. And so it's going to be less. So 3 groups of 2 will make 6. So that means I get 2, my friend gets 2, and my other friend that joined us get 2. So that's 2, 4, 6. So the same thing with 8. So if I have 8 crackers, 2 groups, that means me and someone. I want to divide the crackers between us 2. So how much will we both get? It will be a total of 4. I would get 4 and my friend would get 4, because 4 plus 4 is 8. And then lastly, it says 4 groups of. So now we're 4 people and we want to split 8 crackers. How could I split 8 crackers amongst 4 people? We each would get a total of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So parents, you can do examples like that for 10, 15, 12, and 20. Please include this sheet in your daily lesson sheet. You do have the multiplication page before this and the workbook page after this.